The modernity of the long-haired princess. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful river called the Milky Way in a modern city. On both banks of the river, two young people in love, Rico, a weaver, and Hayato, a cowherd, lived. Rico worked as a fashion designer and was always pursuing new designs. Her ideas were original, she had a lot of followers on Instagram, and her work quickly attracted attention. On the other hand, Hayato was a self-employed young man who sold cheese made from the milk of the cows he raised in an online shop. He loved nature and animals and enjoyed spending every day with cows. The two lived in different worlds, but they met on SNS through a common hobby of starry sky observation. Liked to each other's posts while exchanging comments, the two of them connected their hearts. I began to hope to see you in real life at some point, and I made an appointment on the day of Tanabata. On the night of Tanabata, Rico put on a special dress and headed to the banks of the river where the stars twinkle. And Hayato also came with a cute stuffed cow he raised. The two looked up at each other's stars and talked about their dreams. However, modern life was harsh. Rico faced the severity of the fashion industry, and Hayato was also exhausted from the competition in business. They continued to pursue their own dreams, but due to their busyness, they gradually lost contact and almost forgot about each other's existence. One day, when Rico was attending the event, an old acquaintance said, "I recently found a nice cheese brand," and she heard the name of Hayato's shop. At that moment, the forgotten memories came back to her heart. Rico immediately sent a message to Hayato on Instagram. "Long time no see. Would you like to go see the starry sky together?" The moment Hayato received Rico's message, his heart jumped. He liked Rico's design and always thought of her. The two promised to meet again, and they met again on the bank of the Milky Way on the day of Tanabata. This time, we vowed to walk together while supporting each other's dreams. In this way, Rico and Hayato were considerate of each other in their busy modern lives and nurtured love under the starry sky. The miracle of Tanabata is not just an old story, it is still going on today.